What happened?
I'm just thinking about my job.
Why are you thinking about your job? You already have experience.
Yes, but I have work gap and I don't want to do developer job.
Oh, then you can become a business analyst. No coding and no technical stuff. If you know communication, then half of the job is done.
Oh, but I don't know who will teach me.
Then Harsha Trainings is the best for you. They provide easy and stressless course, and they will teach you methodologies like Scrum, Waterfall and Agile methods and easy job assistance.
Really? How can I join it?
They're starting a business analyst batch on August 28th from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m.
Where is it? Do I have to travel?
No. They're providing you with online courses just to save time. And it's only for 45 days. So enroll now.
Oh, this is perfect for me. Give me the contact number.
And if you are also looking to become a business analyst, then hurry up and join Harsha Trainings. To contact them, click on the number below. Thank you. For more updates and queries, do follow our Instagram page.